Hi, my name is Kelsey Murray, and I'm 17 years old. I'm a senior at Biotechnology High School in Freehold, New Jersey, and the school that I go to is a specified science school, and it's referred to as the nerd school by most of my friends, but it's actually the perfect school for me because everyone there is super passionate about science, and that's why I fit in so well. So it's called Biotechnology High School, and the focus is mainly on biotech and other general sciences like bio and physics. And because of that, I've had the privilege of studying something I'm super passionate about for the last 3.5 years. So within biology, I think the field that is most fascinating is microbiology. And that's because it's so amazing to me how such tiny organisms can have such a major impact on our bodies, our environment, and basically the whole planet. So microbiology is already studying organisms on a micro level, but I like to think that there are kind of two scales to this. And first we have the small scale, and that's looking at the genetics of the organisms, how they interact with each other, and how they interact with the things around them. So first I'd like to point out how incredibly cool it is that scientists can alter DNA on a micro level. And I was first exposed to this my sophomore year at school when I was in my general research class and we were able to pick a random project and do whatever we wanted. So I looked into bacteria because that's what I was interested in at the time, and I decided that I wanted to transform it so that it glowed in the dark. And I took the pea green gene from a jellyfish and transformed it into the bacteria so that it would glow. And I also used a marker gene for antibiotic resistance. And I was so fascinated by the end of that project because I thought, wow, I really just changed the DNA of an organism and changed it so that its phenotype is completely different. And that's when I was really first inspired by bacteria, and that's when I also decided what I wanted to do for my junior year project, which was study different bacterial inhibitions. And also, as a side note, if you're ever sick, eat garlic, because I found that garlic actually inhibited more bacteria than ampicillin, which is an antibiotic. So that was more the smaller scale of microbiology, and for the larger scale, I'd like to think that's more epidemiology and public health, and studying how diseases travel and how these microbes can have such a major impact. And that's what I'm most interested in. I want to study epidemiology in college and hopefully have a career with it, because I think it's so scary and cool how one person that's infected with a tiny microbe can infect an entire population. And I want to be a part of what can eventually help that and hopefully stop outbreaks and prevent them from happening in the first place. And finally, to end the video, I just want to thank you all for this incredible opportunity. And to all of the women working in STEM fields, you inspire me every day to follow my dream of becoming a scientist. So thank you.